Application of concepts. Write the four quantum numbers for the differentiating electron of sodium atom.
The electronic configuration of sodium is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s1. The differentiating electron of sodium atom is in 3s1 orbital.
3s1 can be represented in NLX form.
Since the outermost electron is from third shell, so the value of n is 3. For s orbital, L is 0. For L is equal to 0, ml is equal to 2L plus 1, that is equal to 2 into 0 plus 1, that is 1, which means ml has one value which is equal to 0. Finally, the third shell is filled with only one electron. Its spin may be plus half or minus half.
Here, considering the spin of an electron as plus 1 by 2, therefore ms is equal to plus 1 by 2. Thus, the four quantum numbers for the differentiating electron of sodium atom are: the value of n is 3, for L is 0, ml is 0, and ms is plus 1 by 2.